In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email footer text fast and easy. If you've ever found yourself puzzled or frustrated by the email footer offers of your WooCommerce store, don't worry, you've come to the right place. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, so you can swiftly update your footer text without a hitch. First, let's navigate our way to the starting point of this journey. Open up your browser and go to your WordPress site dashboard. This is essentially the control center of your site, where you can make various changes and customizations. Once here, you should see a menu on the left-hand side. Now, look for the WooCommerce tab. WooCommerce is the powerhouse of your online store, handling all the e-commerce details seamlessly. Click on this tab to access further settings. With the WooCommerce settings open, you're getting closer to your goal. The next step is to locate the Settings button. It's typically positioned under the WooCommerce tab and gives you access to a host of configurations for your e-commerce setup. Click on Settings to move forward. Once you're inside the Settings section, there's a dedicated tab for managing emails. Let's click on the Emails tab. This is where you will find all the settings related to the emails that WooCommerce sends to you and your customers. It's a useful area where you can manage how your store communicates electronically. At this point, you should spot a section labeled Emails. This is essentially a centralized hub for managing the content and structure of the emails your WooCommerce store sends out. Click on Emails to proceed to the next stage. Now that you're in the Emails section, scroll down until you find the footer text area. This is the space where you can input or revise the text that appears at the bottom of your emails. It's crucial for branding or sharing necessary information with your customers, like contact details or social media links. Finally, to change the footer text, click on it. You'll be able to quickly and easily make your edits in the text box provided. After you've customized it to fit your store's voice or requirements, remember to save your changes. It's always a good idea to do a test email to ensure the changes appear as you intended. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your email footer text in WooCommerce. With these steps, you can ensure your email communication is not only functional, but also reflective of your brand's identity. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Keep exploring and customizing to make your site truly your own.